Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share a tutorial on creating an ombre nail design using wet acrylic powder. Unlike traditional ombre nail art done with gel polish, we will be achieving this stunning effect using acrylic products. As you can see in the video, the result is absolutely beautiful and it looks even better when you do on your own nails. For this demonstration, I have chosen to focus on just one finger to save time. To start, select a nail tip that matches the size and shape to your natural nails. Each tip is labeled with numbers on the edge to help you choose the right one for each finger. Apply glue to the half circle area on the back of the nail tip, ensuring it spreads evenly and covering the entire area. Next, carefully position the nail tip at the edge of your natural nail, leaving a small gap near the cuticle. Press down firmly to adhere the tip to your nail, making sure there is no bubble in the glue. This step is crucial for ensuring a secure and seamless bond between the nail tip and your natural nail. There are several reasons there should be no bubbles while sticking onto the nails. Firstly, bubbles can create gaps between the nail tip and the natural nail, which can weaken the bond and lead to lifting or popping off of the nail tip. Additionally, bubbles can cause an uneven surface, making it difficult to apply acrylic or gel application smoothly. Next, we will buff the nail tip and the natural nails to create a seamless transition between them. This step is crucial to ensure that the nail tip blends in seamlessly with your natural nails, giving it a more natural appearance. Previously, I used a buffer for this process, but in this video, I will be using a drill machine to buff the nails. The drill machine allows for more precision and efficiency in buffing, helping to achieve a smooth and even surface. By buffing the nails with the drill machine, we will ensure that the nail tip looks like a natural extension of your own nails, giving you a flawless finish. When using a drill machine for buffing, it's important to start with a low speed setting to avoid damaging the nails. Hold the drill machine steady and gently move it in a back and forth motion across the surface of your nail tip and natural nail. Be careful not to apply too much pressure, as this can cause friction and heat buildup, which may damage the nails. Keep the drill machine moving continuously to ensure even buffing and avoid focusing on one spot too long. Additionally, use a soft buffer attachment on the drill machine to gently smooth out any imperfection and create a uniform surface. Finally, check the nails to ensure they are buffed to your desired length of smoothness and avoid overbuffing, which can weaken the nails. With these simple techniques, you will achieve a professional looking buffed finish using a drill machine. When using the drill machine, make sure to buff the entire nail tip thoroughly. This step is important to remove any smoothness from the surface of the tip, allowing the acrylic to adhere better. The drill machine helps to create a rougher texture on the nail tip, which helps the acrylic to bond more effectively. To start, dip your acrylic brush into monomer and wait for it to become flexible. Once it's ready, remove any excess monomer from the brush by wiping it against the edge of the container. Then dip the brush into the acrylic powder, ensuring to only coat the part of the brush where monomer is left. Avoid dragging the brush through the powder. Instead, gently dip it to pick up the acrylic. Begin by applying the acrylic near the middle of the nail and work your way towards the free edge, using dapping motion to evenly distribute the acrylic. If the brush starts to dry out, dip it back into the monomer to rehydrate it before continuing. This technique helps to achieve a smooth and even application of acrylic onto the nail, resulting in a professional looking manicure. In completing this ombre nail art, we will be using a 2-bit application technique. If you haven't already watched my tutorial on how to do a 2-bit acrylic application, I highly recommend checking it out. You can find the link in the description box below as well as in the right corner of the video. If you happen to miss a few spots, don't worry, you can easily fill them in with another layer to cover it up. It's not a big deal. Now that the first bit application is complete, it's time to move on to the second bit. For this step, I will be using a nude color acrylic powder, while I used white acrylic powder for the first bead. The choice of nude color for the second bead will help us achieving the desired ombre effect. The selection of acrylic powder color depends on the specific ombre look we are aiming to create, so it's important to choose the shade that best fits the desired outcome. Now on to the next step of applying the bead. We will be using the same technique. Start by removing any excess monomer from the brush. Then dip into the acrylic powder to pick up the bead. Carefully place the brush near the cuticle area, ensuring not to touch the skin. Once placed, remove any excess acrylic from the brush and clean it. Next, gently dab the bead and move it towards the apex area of the nail. Here, we will seamlessly merge bead 1 and bead 2 to achieve the desired ombre effect. If necessary, feel free to add more beads in between, ensuring they are evenly distributed to maintain a smooth appearance. Take your time to place and dab the beads properly, gradually bringing them back towards the free edge of the nail. If the brush starts to dry out, simply rehydrate it with monomer and continue the process. Now it's time to buff the nail to achieve a smooth surface and perfect ombre effect. Using the drill machine for buffing, we will employ half circle motion. Moving from right to left and left to right, it's crucial to maintain a firm grip onto the drill machine, ensuring precise control without causing any harm to the skin. This technique allows for efficient blending and removing of any excess product, resulting in a flawless finish. Buffing with a buffer means using a hand tool to smooth and blend the nail product. It needs manual work and can take time. On the flip side, buffing with a drill machine is faster and easier. The drill machine gives better control and smoother result with less effort. Overall, buffing with a drill machine is quicker and more convenient than using a buffer by hand. Indeed, the method choice depends on the individual's preference and comfort level. Some may prefer the traditional buffer while others find the drill machine more effective. It's all about what works best for you. Start by gently buffing the nail near the cuticle using the drill machine. Then gradually move towards the edge of the nail. Be careful not to touch or harm the cuticle while buffing. If you find it challenging at first, practice on a nail dummy before working on nails. With practice, you will master the technique and achieve great results. After buffing, reshape your nails if needed. The product may have changed the shape slightly, so use the buffer to refine the sides. In the video, I am opting for a square shape, so I am adjusting the product to achieve the desired square shape. Keep it simple and follow along. After buffing, use a fan brush to clean any particles, then apply top coat and cure it under UV light for 30 seconds. The top coat locks in the nail art, adding a glossy finish. It's the final touch for the nails that shine and sparkle. Once you are finished, take a moment to appreciate the beauty of your nails. I hope you will give it a try at home. It's easy once you get the hang of it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.